Sabing 18th birthday nito, pakasal na yung dating
Oh,
eh.
feeling ko kinasal tayo doon.
Manila Hotel,
Yes!
big event.
It was the first debut.
First
on
debut
TV.
on TV.
Oo. Binigay niya sa akin yung moment. Parang ganyan. And then, kaya yun yung nag-ano sa amin, nagbibigayan kami ng moment. Parang feeling ko, kinasal kami, ganon.
With my heart, you can take it, just don't break it, or my world will fall apart. You are my first romance, and I'm willing to take a chance that till life is through, I'll still be loving you.
I'd still be loving you.
I will be true.